My name's Rob Duvenvoort. I'm the QHSE leader at Suprema Woodstock, born and raised. When I first started the work industry, one of my very first jobs I already experienced a shutdown. Then 2 or 3 years later, another place that I was working at announced a plant closure. So to a lot of other people, it was a big blow to their life. But to me, time to move on. I looked at it as an opportunity. And fortunately, it was. There was a plant just down the street actually building a brand new plant. What's this Suprema place? All right, let me look into this. Well, this sounds interesting, so I applied. So we make waterproof membranes. Whenever my family would ask, I would say, we make great big giant long shingles. And for flat roofs? Yeah, that's what we make. And we just keep on rolling. We make as much as we can. There's plenty of opportunity to sell it. Woodstock is a really good location for industry, hence why Suprema's here. I mean, it's convenient, it's efficient. You build your product here, you have many different ways that you can ship your product out. You can leave Suprema, you're right on the 401. You can either head to Toronto, Mississauga area, you can head down to the States pretty quickly, it's like 2 hours, or you can always just go up the 403 as well. It was quite the big deal to become LEED certified, and it's actually really good for our own targets to lower our impact on the environment. So what appealed to me, first of all, it's a local place. I mean, it's my town, it's my home. And there's particular people that I've known for a long time. There's one in particular person here that I've known since he was in kindergarten. And you kind of depend on those people as a sense of togetherness. Like, these guys have been fighting through the hard parts with you. I attended St. Patrick's Elementary School. Coincidentally, Suprema product went on there recently, which was kind of cool to see. So, yeah, I mean, Woodstock as a whole, very large. The Woodstock I know and the Woodstock that I'm a part of, it's still close-knit, it's tight, similar to Suprema. Like, we're tight, and I think that's important. We appreciate the people that work here. I appreciate what these people do every day. I'll stop there because I don't want to get too emotional, but I very much appreciate what these people do. My name is Rob Duvenvoort, and this is Suprema.